What are some of the best Irish music albums? Imagine walking through Ireland's lush countryside and hearing melodies that tell stories of history, love, and life. Irish music has a rich history that spans centuries, blending traditional tunes with modern sounds. When exploring Irish culture, listening to some of its most famous albums can truly deepen your experience. One of the most influential albums is Van Morrison's Moondance, released in 1970. It combines folk, jazz, and soul, creating a sound that feels both timeless and fresh. Songs like And It Stone Me and Crazy Love are still loved today and show Morrison's musical versatility. If you're into Irish rock, the Frames, For the Birds came out in 2001. Led by Glen Hansard, this album mixes heartfelt ballads with energetic tunes, capturing the spirit of modern Irish songwriting. For a different vibe, Enya's Watermark from 1988 offers a dreamy, new age sound. The hit Orinoco Flow made this album famous worldwide, blending traditional Irish melodies with lush, atmospheric layers. It's perfect for relaxing or imagining Ireland's mystical landscapes. Traditional music lovers should check out O Acute Riada Sagaiety from 1969 by Kiltori Coolin. Led by Sean O Acute Riada, this album features authentic arrangements of Irish folk tunes played by some of Ireland's top musicians. It gives a real taste of Ireland's musical roots. The Pogues' Rum, Sodomy and the Lash from 1985 is a lively mix of punk energy and Irish storytelling. Shane MacGowan's vivid lyrics and energetic style make it a classic that still influences many artists today. Other notable albums include Christy A Terrible Beauty, which reflects Irish history through folk music, and Glen Hansard's All That Was East Is West of Me Now, known for poetic lyrics and emotional depth. For those who love contemporary Irish sounds, albums like Conla's River Waiting from 2016 and Ensemble Iriu's Stargazer from 2017 showcase how traditional instruments like the flute, harp, and bodhrán are combined with modern arrangements. These albums highlight Ireland's ongoing musical evolution. Listening to these albums while traveling around Ireland can help you connect more deeply with the country's cultural identity. Whether you enjoy lively folk sessions, soulful ballads, or energetic rock, each album offers a window into Ireland's musical soul.